Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this DEWALT drill combo kit. This is model number DCK240C2. So you get this impact driver and you get a drill. We also get 2 of these batteries and we get a battery charger to charge them with. And we get this nice bag to carry everything in. So here's the battery. You're simply going to slide it on until it clicks. We can reverse this either direction. So you're going to put an impact bit up here. It's got lights also. Move this collar forward and then you can put a bit in there and then it holds it in there. So here I've got a piece of wood. We're going to put a torque screw in. So I got it going forward. And then we're going to drive it all the way in until it stops. Right there. So they call it an impact driver because it has that impact action that helps drive the screw. And then we're going to reverse it and take it out. Very easy. Now this hook, you can change this hook from this tool. You can put it on the drill if you'd want. Now let's just press this button and we'll take the battery off. Here's a close-up of the battery. It is a 20 volt max, 1.5 amp hour battery. Okay, let's put it on the drill. The same thing, slide it on from the front until it clicks. Now I can pull the trigger. This is variable speed and I can reverse it. This is a keyless chuck. So let's put a drill bit in. So you're going to hold this, and I've got it going forward. See, like it's going forward. I'm holding this outer part right here. And then that's going to bring the chucks out, and it's going to grab the drill bit, and you can kind of hold it, and it grabs it and tightens it. Now that's in there really tight. I've got drill mode, and I've also got like impact mode also. If I turn this, these are different levels. So 15 is like a really high impact. It has a clutch in here that'll start clutching when it's really tight. But 1 is really low. See, I can hold it, hear that clutching action. And then as I turn it up, it's a little bit stronger. 2 speeds. There's high speed. 2 is really fast for like wood. 1 is for like metal, slower. So let's go to a high speed. Here I got a piece of wood and let's drill into it. Whoops, I gotta put it in drill mode. Turn it all the way till the drill bit is lined up with that. Now let's do drill. That way you won't have the clutching action. So this thing fits in your hands, kind of grippy right here. Really nice. So here's the battery charger it comes with. The red light is flashing. That means the pack is charging. When the red light is steady, that means the pack is charged. If it's flashing alternating, it's hot or cold delay. And the battery, the charger is real easy. You're just going to slide it down from this way till it kind of clicks into place and then the lights start working. And this is model number DCB107, 12 or 20 volt max lithium ion charger. And you're just going to plug the charger. It's a 2-prong into the wall outlet. Now the drill tool number is DCD771, a 1/2 inch cordless drill driver. Now the impact tool that comes in this kit is DCF885 1/4 inch cordless impact driver. I like that there's kind of rubber on the side. This is also is grippy and it's not super light. It's not super heavy. It's kind of lightweight. So here's everything that comes in the kit and how to use it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.